Hello, my name is Marfresmin Shupti and today I'll present my topic on cloud computing, service models, de uh, deployment models and security issues. In this presentation, I'll explain three cloud service models, therefore cloud deployment models, security issues in SaaS, authentication and authorization in SaaS, and security issues in IaaS. So let's begin. Cloud service model. Cloud service model describe the different types of service offered by cloud providers. There are three main models. The first is infrastructure as a service or IaaS. It provides virtual server storage and networking. The cloud provider manages the hardware while the customer manages the operating system and application. Examples include Amazon EC2 and Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. The second model is platform as a server or PaaS. It provides a platform where developers can build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Example: Google App Engine and Heroku. The third model is software as a service or SaaS. It provides computer software. It delivers software over the internet. User can access application through a web browser without installing them. Example include Gmail, Microsoft 365, and Salesforce. Then cloud deployment model. Cloud deployment models describe how cloud services are deployed and who can access them. There are four deployment models. The public cloud is owned by a cloud provider and shared among many users. It is affordable and highly scalable. The private cloud is dedicated to one organization. It offers better security and greater control but usually cost more. The hybrid cloud combines both public and private cloud. It allows organizations to keep sensitive data private while using the public cloud for less critical tasks. Finally, the community cloud is shared by several organizations that have similar security or compliance requirements such as hospital or university. Security issues in SaaS. Although SaaS is convenient, it also has several security challenges. One major issue is data breaches, where sensitive information may be accessed by unauthorized users. Another issue is data loss, which can happen because of cyber attacks, accidental deletion, or system failures. There are also insecure IPIs which attackers may exploit to gain unauthorized access in insider threats. Also another concern because employees or administrators may use confidential information. Finally, organization must comply with privacy regulation or protect consumer data. These risks can be reduced by using data encryption, regular backups, strong password, and multi-factor authentication. Authentication and authorize. Now I'll talk about the authentication and authorize in SaaS. Authentication and authorize are two important security concepts. Authentication means verifying a user, identifying the before allowing access to system. Common authentication method include username and password, multi-factor authentication, and biometric methods such as fingerprints or facial recognition. Authorization happens after authentication. It determines what a user is allowed to do within the system. For example, a administrator has more permission than a regular employee. Some common security issues include weak password, stolen login uh, credential, poor access control, and season uh, hijack. Organization can improve security by using strong password multi-factor multi-factor authentication, and role-based access control. Then I'll talk about the security issues and IaaS. In IaaS model, consumers are responsible for securing their own operating system, application, and data. Some common security risks include virtual machine attacks, where attackers target virtual services. Another risk is hypervisor vulnerabilities, which may affect multiple virtual mechanics. Data leakage can occur if sensitive information is not properly protected. Misconfigured cloud storage can accidentally expose private data to the public. There are also network attacks such as distributed denial of service or DDoS attack. These risks can be reduced by using firewalls, data encryption, VPN, regular software update, and continuous security monitoring. So in summary, I'll say cloud computing provides flexible and cost-effective computing services. There are three cloud services model: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. The four cloud deployment models are public, private, hybrid, and community cloud. SaaS security focus on the protecting user data and preventing unauthorized access. Authentication verifies user identify, while authorization determines what resource the user can access. Finally, IaaS security requires organization to properly configure, protect cloud resource. Thank you. This is for me.